Biotin is an important vitamin belonging to the B vitamin family and plays a key role in the health of skin, nails, and our hair, preventing baldness and boosting hair growth. See the before and after pictures with the amazing results of biotin here. All B vitamins help the body to convert carbohydrates from food into glucose, which it uses to produce energy. Biotin among the B vitamins is the most beneficial for our hair and is also known as vitamin H, which stems from the German Haar, a word that means hair. What a hint! This vitamin is also essential in our body's metabolism, helping to process energy and transporting carbon dioxide from our body cells, says board-certified dermatologist Dr. Susan Stewart. While Dr. Richard Shire, a dermatologist who is widely known for his expertise on nail care and disorders, believes taking the vitamin does improve the keratin infrastructure, the basic protein that makes up hair, skin, and nails. The benefits of this vitamin were discovered when horses were given a biotin supplement. Once the horses were given biotin, veterinarians saw not only an improvement with the horses' hooves, but also their hair became soft and longer. Biotin also acts as a coenzyme which is needed for the metabolism of glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids in our body. This process is important because proper digestive functions relates to the body's ability of absorbing the nutrients needed. When these nutrients are properly absorbed by the body, they act to restore proper function and nutrients to the nails, hair, skin, as well as internal system function. When the body stops absorbing key nutrients, that's when our bodies damage our skin, hair, and nails, resulting in physical changes as well as increased notion of aging. Like all B vitamins, biotin is water-soluble, meaning the body does not store it. This means that it is rare to have an overload of this vitamin, as the excess you take will be eliminated through your urine. Aside from supplement forms of biotin, biotin can be found in meats, 27 milligrams, eggs, 15 milligrams, whole wheat bread, 0.2 to 0.06 milligrams, nuts, 1 cup, 0.2 to 2 milligrams, dairy products, 0.4 milligrams. The only problem with biotin found in foods is that it is usually in small quantities. In fact, the majority of the foods we have listed above only have small quantities of biotin available. Although we encourage gaining vitamins and minerals from natural food sources, the low levels of biotin can hinder a person seeking to see results in the hair, skin, and nails. Although biotin deficiency is rare, it can manifest itself in forms of nutrient malabsorption, which can in turn affect your hair, skin, and nails. The added advantage of biotin supplementation is that the results wanted can be tracked with your current intake of nutrition as well as diet. So if you want to see improvement of your hair, skin, and nails without drastically consuming foods with biotin, then a biotin pill can be an effective way in introducing needed nutrients to your system easily. Biotin helps the body convert glucose from carbohydrates in the body, as well as converting sugar into usable energy. It further helps the body break down food by absorbing protein and using it to carry multiple body functions. Biotin is so effective in the body that without biotin in our systems, our bodies can suffer complications such as fatigue, weight gain, low energy levels, as well as a slow metabolism. It has also been proven to decrease inflammation throughout the body, which helps the body deal with pain, aches, and trouble moving. Although biotin side effects are minimal, you might want to consult with a healthcare professional on how you might be affected with biotin supplementation. Biotin is a safe and non-toxic vitamin and has not been associated with any serious side effects. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Biotin alone may not be enough to stop your hair loss if you suffer from this problem. I recommend you to check out also our Stop Hair Loss program at endhairloss.eu, where we deliver a very efficient stop hair loss natural method used by thousands of people around the world with great results, as you will see in the testimonials of our site. See the first video clicking on the link below the video to the left. Thank you!